Guys, you see this video that is playing right now here on your screen. This video you are seeing right here. I will play the video for you guys to see right now. But this video was created without using Google VO3. With the help of this new AI tool, you can create something amazing like this. But first, let me play this video so that you guys will watch the video and tell me how the video looked. Let's watch it together. So you guys can see the video having to play. So right now, I know most of you will be shocked. This video was created without using Google VO3, without subscribing to any Google VO3, without paying for Google VO3. In fact, I created this video for free without paying for any sub, without applying for any sub. I created this video for free. And in this video, I'm going to show you the method from beginning to the end, which I used to create this type of video that just play a moment ago that you guys just watch. I will teach you the method I used to create this type of video. In this video, I'm going to show you everything. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because I will be showing you guys the method I used to create that video. So don't skip any part. And meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, because when next I drop more videos on how you can be using AI to create images, how you can be using AI to create videos, how you can be using AI to write text, how you can use AI, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Because in this channel, I teach you guys on how you can use AI to create images, edit videos. That is what we teach in this channel. So that is one of the reasons you need to subscribe, because when next we drop more videos on how you can be using AI, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me show you the method I used to create exactly video you just watched right now, using simple prompts, and from the prompt to a video direct, using new AI tool, which I just discovered that this new AI tool make video perfectly, just better than Google VO3, without paying for subscription, without paying for anything. Everything is done free. Now, let's get started. So guys, let's get started together. Now, I'll be showing you the first step which you need to get everything done right. So make sure you watch this video to the end, just the way I say a moment ago. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Right now, the first step we are going to start with is how to generate our text, and that is our prompt using ChatGPT. We are going to use ChatGPT to generate our text, that is our scene, our prompt, which we are going to use to generate the video. Right now, this is what I gave to ChatGPT to generate a video for me. And this is it. I say, write me a short cinematic realistic movie of a guy hunted by a crazy gang. The guy is a black American. She always wear red leather jumpsuit, and he is always with a big power motorcycle. And ChatGPT go ahead and started writing me all this. Write all this. He break it down. So after it break it down, I tell him to give me the image prompt of each scene, so that he can go ahead and give me the all scene I want. But the most important thing is to give him this prompt here, and after you give him the prompt, he's going to give you what you want. These are the scene he generated for me. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let me just give you guys the final step, because if you need this scene, the scene is going to be, and if you need this prompt, the prompt is going to be on my Telegram channel. I'm going to be sharing the prompt with you guys, and the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. So when you go to my Telegram channel, you are going to see this prompt there already. So as you can see, this is the prompt. As you can see, video 1, the escape begins, 5-second prompt. So a cinematic night scene on a creative Los Angeles street, a black American man in a red leather jacket. So you can see this is the prompt ChatGPT gave to me, the first prompt, the second prompt, and the last prompt. So now all I have to do is just to copy the prompt. And to copy this prompt, you guys know I will already been copying prompt using ChatGPT. So copy prompts from ChatGPT, so you can copy it the way you copy all your prompts. But right now, I will be copying my prompt. Now, to copy this prompt, all I have to do is to tap on it, and I'm going to select text. After select text, I'm going to copy this prompt. You can decide to copy the prompt and save it somewhere so that you can take it to this website I'm about to show you right now, which will generate our videos for us for free with only one step. You don't need to use AI, you don't need to pay or use Google VO3 to do this. Everything is going to be done free. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to go to this website. This website you are seeing here, let me refresh. This website you are seeing here, we are going to use this website called Dreamina to create our video. So let's come to the home page. When you come to the home page here, when you click on this icon that says AI image here, when you click on it, you are going to see AI video. So in this website, you can use this website to create images. You can also use it to create videos. But right now, why this our AI video is not working? When you tap on it, it will tell you coming soon. That is because it's not allowed in my country, but I'm going to show you the method you are going to use. If you are trying it, it gives you this method and it shows this. The method you are going to use, I'm going to show you right now in this video. And that is why I told you to watch this video to the end without skipping any part. Now, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to use VPN to unlock this. You are hearing me right. Hope you hear me very well. We are going to use VPN, and to do that, we are going to use my VPN. I like using this VPN. You can use any VPN of your choice. All you just have to do, you put your location in United States, and after you connect your VPN, you go back to the website. Now, all you have to do is just to refresh. When you refresh, you are going to see it will start working immediately. So right now, I have refreshed. Now, when you click on AI videos, you are going to see that AI video has unlocked. You click on it. Now, the prompt we copy right now. We are going to put the prompt here. After put the prompt, you are going to set this at VO3, as you can see, prompt detail. So our video is here. We are going to select our video resolution. Then the next thing, we click on generate here. When we click on generate, it's going to start generating our video. So as you guys can see, it's generating the video already. So we just need to give it some minutes, just like 5 to 10 minutes, and it's going to generate this video for us. And after I generate the video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make this editing using CapCut, and it's going to sound so amazing. So right now, make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't skip. Don't say that you have learned how to make the video already. No, make sure you watch the video. And if this video sounds so interesting to you, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you should also be among of the people to watch those videos. Hope you guys get all my prompt and the start beginning. Hope you guys are following up with what I'm teaching you. So let's just give this some minutes. After it completes, we are going to continue with our video. I don't want this video to be so long so that it will not look so that I will not take much of your time. Let me post it, and after the video is generated complete, I'm going to come back and continue. Just give it some minutes. It has successfully generate the video for us. Now let's play the video and see. Let's play it. As you guys can see, this is the video. This is the video we just generated right now. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on this download you are seeing up here. When you click on download, it's going to download to your phone. Now let's click on download. Now it's downloading, and it's going to download to our phone. Let's just give it some minutes. It's going to download. Now it has, as you can see, downloading. It has downloaded. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go to CapCut, where we will be making our video. I love using CapCut, but you can use any video to editing tool you like using. You can use it. Now this is CapCut. I'll click on new project. Now this is our video we just generated. As you can see, this is the video we just generated a moment ago. So we'll click on add, and after we click on add, the next thing we are going to do is to play the video. You see that the video don't have any sound. As you can see, the video don't have any sound. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on audio here. When we click on audio, we are going to click on audio sound FS. When we click on sound FS, we are going to click on search and search for motor sounds. As you see, motorcycle sound. And then we are going to listen to this sound. Any sound that matches our video, that is one we are going to use. As you can see, this sound matches our video. Let's play it again. Let's play it together. So let's use this sound. Let me use this sound here right now. Let's play it. As you can see, this sound matches our video. So when you generate your prompt, you can just use this sound. Now, when you look at this place, as you can see, you see that there is a sound here which I use on my video when my video started. So that sound should be, you click on audio here again, you search for bomb explosion. So as you can see, bomb explosion. So I use this one, this first one here. So let's just set it here. You're going to see it right now. So you guys see. So you guys can see. Let's start the video again. So this is the method I used to create the video you just watched at the beginning of this video. So you guys can see the method I just used to do this for free without paying for any VO3. So you can also try this method and generate a lot of scene and make your own video, realistic videos which you can use and be making to create realistic videos. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. And if you need this prompt, the prompt I use in this video to create this, the prompt will be on my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. See you guys on my next video.